Hi guys, it's Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about how you can transform a look of a desk. So this is my desk, and it is actually one of those desks where it's open in the front, and since I have my desk facing the entrance, I wanted it to look not open so you couldn't see underneath here. There's really like a hole, and I didn't want it to be seen that way. So a really easy, simple way to cover that and make it look fancy and plush is you basically get foam and you get little tacks. I of course have sparkle because I love sparkle, and they basically tufted it in here, and then the way we adhered it to the desk was with Velcro up here at the top, and this gives it a finished look, and it's fairly inexpensive. Any fabric stores can do this for you, and you just pick the fabric that you like. So I chose a white leather looking fabric, but you can choose any kind of design that you want and completely customize it to be what you want. That is Fancy Fridays for today, and I hope everyone's living just fancier.